chocolate fudge. That's what we're making. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making one of those wonderful Christmas treats, which is chocolate fudge. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So without further adu, let's get started. Alright, I have got an 8-inch dish lined with wax paper. And you want to use a good heavy boiler. And I've got, it calls for 3 6-ounce packages of cinnamon sweet chocolate chips. And that's basically just 3 cups. And to that, I'm adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Now this is one of the 2 recipes that my mom gave me for chocolate fudge. This one doesn't make quite as much, but it is the easier one of both of them. But both recipes are good. And we just want to mix this with a can of sweetened condensed milk. Turn on our heat and melt it. And you want to stay over it because you don't want your chips to scorch. And you want the heat to be on low. My chocolate is almost melted, and it did not take long at all. It's only been about 2 to 3 minutes. And you do want to keep it going. Alright. I believe it's melted. And you just want a dash of salt. You want to add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla and 1/2 cup of nuts. That's optional. I'm using pecans. Take it off the heat. Stir that in real good. Just want to pour it into our lined pan. Already starting to set up. It smells good. I love the smell of the chocolate. My husband loves chocolate fudge. Smooth this out. So you can use an offset spatula. Smooth this out. Want to let this cool, and I'll see you then. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Y'all have a Merry Christmas, and until next time, bye y'all.